Hello, Ray. Today we are making some guacamoles. Are you ready to show them? Chef Ray?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be in Ray's kitchen. So our chef today is named Rayleen. She is 15 months old, and today she'll be showing you how to make guacamole. All right, so first up, we're gonna cut open these avocados. And if you guys don't already have this gadget, you should get it so you don't cut your hand off. All right, I need to, all right, be careful. All right, Ray, then let me cut this open. Ta-da! This is avocado. Then we're just gonna pop the pit out, like that. So Ray actually doesn't really like avocado. She used to when she was a little baby, and then don't know what happened. Didn't care for it anymore. Here, Ray, put it in the bowl. Okay, I'll help you, like this. Okay, spoon, hold the spoon. Okay, we're gonna scoop it and put it in here. There you go. Wow, wow, good job. Good job, baby. Yeah, that's right, mash it up. So guys, we are both amateur cooks up in here. So you'll only be seeing easy recipes. Quarantine has forced us to cook more often. Good job! Ray is actually also allergic to dairy and eggs, so we will be avoiding those type of recipes on here. But if you guys have suggestions for what Ray can eat that she'll like, because she's a picky toddler, please comment below.
Yes.
So we are now mashing the avocados up. We are now going to add some ingredients in here. So I have about half an onion up here. I'm just gonna add probably half of that, so a quarter of an onion. Put it in here, there you go. Okay, these are some Roma tomatoes. You put that in there? All right, this is some garlic. Here, can you scoop some garlic in there? 1 clove of garlic. All right, we'll add some tomatoes. Uh-oh. We are gonna put in 1 lime for now, and then taste as we go. Wow. Can you do that? Can you help me do that? Put it in. Why not? No. You only want half a lime? No. All right. She knows how to say no now. That was the first. Ray, can you put some cilantro in there? Thank you. All right, you got the big spoon. Wow, this is looking good. Smells amazing. Here, squeeze it in. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, not the thing. Here, look at mommy squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, that was hard to squeeze. I'll do this part for you, okay? You need some muscles. Yeah. Wow, good job. Yeah. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt for some flavor. Wow. A little bit of cayenne. Wow. Okay, that's enough. Oh, you missed a couple onions. Put it in. Hey. Whoa. And then a side ingredient of snot. Wow. Good job, Ray. Looks so yummy. Are you holding the bowl at the same time? Good job. All right, and that's it, guys. All you have to do is cover it up and put it in the fridge for an hour, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Look, Ray. That's right. You dip it and you eat. Dip it and eat. You don't like it? Oh, you broke the chip off. Yummy. I'm gonna add more cilantro because you can always go with more cilantro right on top. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching Ray in the kitchen. If you like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Ray, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
What?
Huh?
What? Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah,
Something smells. Did you poo? Oh, yes, you did. We gotta take a break.